If you're looking for a quick, no-fluff guide on how to create a branded feedback portal for your clients, you're in the right place. This isn't another vague walkthrough. By the end of this short video, you'll have a fully functioning professional feedback portal setup branded to your business. And if you stick around, I'll show you how to get exclusive access to the exact software I recommend, free for viewers of my channel. Now, I've tested the most popular platforms out there. Some are clunky, some are way overpriced, and some just don't deliver. But the software we'll be using in this video strikes the perfect balance of ease, customization, and professional design. And yes, it lets you fully brand the experience with your own logo, colors, and even domain if you want. Start by signing up for the software using the free trial link in the description. Once you're in, go to the dashboard and click Create New Portal. You'll give your portal a name. This is usually your business name or the project name you're collecting feedback for. Next, you'll customize the branding. Upload your logo, choose your brand colors, and update the header text so it reflects your tone. This isn't just about looks. Branded feedback portals make your clients feel like they're working with a professional operation, and it seriously boosts response rates. Now for the core feature, adding feedback fields. You can choose from text boxes, ratings, drop-downs, file uploads, whatever fits your workflow. I recommend keeping it clean and simple. What's working, what's not, what could be better. That's usually all you need. Then, set up the automated notifications. This lets you or your team get alerted as soon as feedback comes in. No more missed messages. You can even set it to auto-tag or organize feedback into categories to streamline follow-up. When you're done, hit publish. You'll get a link you can send to your client or embed on your site. And yes, it will all look and feel like part of your brand, not some third-party tool. Now here's the key takeaway. A branded feedback portal isn't just a nice to have, it's a powerful trust builder and a frictionless way to gather insights from clients in a way that feels professional and organized. It helps you look more polished, respond faster, and deliver a better service overall. Quick recap. Sign up using the exclusive link below. Create a new portal, brand it, add your custom feedback fields, set up alerts, and hit publish. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through this channel, and it'll let you follow along without spending a dime.